Brian, Airbnb has created a travel revolution, and this number tells me that's the case.
Yes. Yeah, so we started just 14 years ago, and when we started Airbnb, I remember the first person I told the idea about, he said, Brian, I hope that's not the only idea you're working on. Well, today, 14 years later, we just hit 1 billion guest arrivals on Airbnb. Imagine Airbnb being used 1 billion times. That's what's happened.
Well, this is incredible from two sides. It's not just the fact that you created an amazing industry, but you've also created wealth and empowerment for people who didn't have it.
Yeah, I mean, like, just to give you an example, since we started the company, women on Airbnb who are hosts, they're 55% are hosts are women, they've earned $70 billion through Airbnb. And the top professions of hosts are healthcare workers and teachers. So these are mostly everyday people, and this is like really important economic money for them.
Now, I think what got some people worried was their belief that when you laid off people, and you had to lay off people, and I know because I spoke with you how heartfelt and difficult that was, that it was over for Airbnb. It turned out to be the absolute bottom, and it was time to buy Airbnb.
I mean, a lot of people were asking, will Airbnb exist? And not only do we exist, it was just the beginning. It was really just the beginning, because what we've learned over these last 18 months is that our model is really adaptable. We're in a fast-changing world. This is one of the most disruptive times since World War II, where we have nearly every type of space in every community in the world at nearly every price point. And so we can adapt to however the travel patterns change. And the thing that's really interesting is we're also really innovative. We've done over 100 upgrades to our service just in the first 6 months of this year. So travel's changing. I think it's going to look nothing like it did in the past.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.